Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about filtering data in R. So it's pretty easy and straightforward, and as always I work on Penguin's data here. So I have installed and run this before, so I just want to do the example. So here you can see I have the island here, so I have different islands and also different species here. So I want to filter this by species and also by islands. So first of all, I just type the name of the data. After that I put a pipe, and after that I just type here filter, and here I want to filter my island by dream. I just type here island equal to dream, and I just run this. You can see here I have the island and also the dream here. So now I want to filter my data by one of the species, so I just type here penguins, Ctrl Shift M, filter, and here I just type here species equal to Gen2, and run this. You can see here I have just this species here, and also I can filter by one of these, and here you can see, for example, by build length millimeter. I just clean this species. I just type here build length, for example it should be equal to 50, for example 50, and run this. You can see here I have just 5 of them. So that's it about filtering the data in R. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.